Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Your Tech Dog. WWDC 2024 is just around the corner and whispers are turning into shouts. This could be Apple's most important event of the year. But why? You must be wondering what's the big deal? Well, in this video, we'll break down the 5 reasons why WWDC 24 could be the game changer for Apple. We'll explore the specific announcements and developments that are expected to rock tech world and unpack the major trends that are influencing this year's event. So buckle up and get ready to see why this event might just be the most impactful Apple event of 2024. Reason 1: the age of AI. Is artificial intelligence about to revolutionize the way we interact with our device? Apple has invested heavily in AI, and this year's event might just showcase the groundbreaking advancement in this field. Imagine Siri that can write emails, compose music, or even code alongside you. This could be a game changer for Apple devices. Reason 2: iOS 18. Every year, iOS updates bring a fresh feel to iPhones and iPads, but iOS 18 could be a massive overhaul. Leaks suggest features like revamped notification system, deeper health integration, and a more customizable lock screen. This could be the biggest iOS update in years. Reason 3: hardware surprises. While WWDC is traditionally software focused event, there have been whispers about potential hardware announcements as well. Maybe a revamped iPad lineup with faster chips or a sneak peek at the next generation of Apple Watch. We'll have to wait and see, but Apple loves to throw in a curveball. Reason 4: the future of mixed reality. Apple's Vision OS, the software powering the Apple Vision Pro headset, is expected to get a major update at WWDC. New features and developer tools could accelerate the adoption of mixed reality, a technology Apple is heavily invested in. Reason 5: the Apple ecosystem. Apple thrives on its interconnected ecosystem. WWDC could showcase how these updates work together seamlessly. Imagine an AI-powered Siri on your iPhone dictating notes to your Mac, or a revamped iPad Pro seamlessly integrating with your Apple Pencil for creative work. With a focus on AI, a potentially groundbreaking iOS update, and exciting hardware rumors, WWDC 24 has the potential to be Apple's biggest event of the year. It could be the moment Apple cements its position as a leader in the future of technology. So mark your calendar for June 10th because WWDC might just blow us away. So what are you most excited about for this WWDC event? Let me know in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe for more tech news and discussions. Thank you. See you in the next one.